Ants are one of the most common tiny creatures which we see in our daily life. There are more than 10,000 known ant species across the globe. Ants are truly fascinating creatures. Let's start the video with some facts about ants and finally we can decide how we would be if we are in size of ant. Ants have superhuman strength. Yes, you heard that correctly. They have the ability to carry between 10 to 50 times of their own body weight. This amount can vary with different species. So obviously they are super creatures, right? Ants don't have lungs. Due to their small size, ants don't have the room to accommodate a complex respiratory system such as ours. Instead, they have their own ways of respiration to help transport of oxygen around their bodies. Ants breathe in oxygen through spiracles, which are a series of holes located on the sides of their bodies. Ants don't have ears. Unlike other pests such as rats, ants don't have ears, but that doesn't mean that they are deaf. Ants use the vibrations in the ground to hear by picking up them in the subgenual organ which is located below the knee. They use vibrations to hear and as an alarm signal when they are in search of food. Ants are farmers. You may wonder hearing this, but it's true. Besides humans, ants are the only creatures that will farm other creatures. Just like we raise cows, sheep, chicken and fish in order to obtain a food source, ants will do the same with other insects. Ants have two stomachs. That's right, ants have two stomachs, and it's not because they are greedy. One of their stomach is for holding food for their own consumption, and the second one is to hold food to be shared with other ants. Ants are as old as dinosaurs. A study discovered that ants first rose during the Cretaceous period around 130 million years ago. So we can say that they are as old as dinosaurs. Ants are slave makers. Some species of ants are known as slave-making ants. They invade neighboring ant colonies, capturing its inhabitants and forcing them to work for them. Some of the ants don't have eyes. We know that ants listen by feeling vibrations from the ground through their feet. But eyeless ants such as driver ant species can communicate by using their antennae. With this knowledge, let's imagine a world where humans suddenly turn into ant size. Some of the possibilities are: Number 1. Even we turn as ants, you cannot escape from segregation based on food as vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Being omnivorous, we need to eat plants or animals and fungi, so it's you to choose your category. Number 2. There would be enough land available to everyone and no one would be scared about the increasing population and limited resources. Number 3. Schools, colleges and every building would itself be declared as countries. Number 4. The school teachers would have no problem as everyone would by default walk in queues like ants do. Number 5. Our average lifespan will become 12 years and we will be only 6 to 9 mm long. But do you know, now we are about 750 times taller than an ant. Number 6. We need to take approximately 250 naps each day, with each one lasting just over a minute. Number 7. If you are a non-vegetarian, then you should search for a roasted insect instead of chicken. That's pretty cool to imagine ourselves as ants, right? Let's come back to human form and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.